Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the JISULIFE mini fan not working in 2026. So in order to fix it, first of all, you need to make sure that the fan actually has the power. So you can just simply connect it to the charger and left it to charge for a few minutes. To be specific, you need to wait for at least 1 to 2 hours. Even if it shows some battery, it might not be enough to start the motor. Also, you need to check if the charging indicator light is turned on. If the power is confirmed, you can just simply try our second fix, in which you just have to simply do a reset. For that, you just have to press this power button and wait for it to basically hold it for about 10 to 15 seconds, then simply release it. Then wait for a few seconds and turning it back on. This is going to help clear the minor internal glitches. Now you can also inspect the fan blades and the vents. If there is dust or any kind of debris stuck inside, it can block the motor. So you need to gently clean it and make sure that the blades can spin fully. Once cleaned, you can try turning it on again. So you can try these easy fixes and see if your JISULIFE mini fan is working properly again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.